Apprentice, come close. I have another lesson for you. I sense that we're on the way to Duxon. Good. You can find much power and knowledge still within the tomb of Frieden Nad, if you know how to look. But the jungle moon of Onderon is dangerous. It teems with some of the most dangerous wildlife in the galaxy. And it has been many years since I walked the halls of Nad's tomb. You must be prepared for anything, and as such, I shall teach you the next lightsaber form. We shall keep your martial skills sharp, and today you will begin your training in Form 6, Nyman, the Way of the Rancor. Accessing file. Nyman. Processing. Nyman is a complicated form. It is divided into two aspects, Nyman and Jarkai, but even further, there are two kinds of Nyman. We will start with first. Nyman was originally designed out of the other forms. It takes what works from each and then incorporates it into its own accelerations. However, this mismatch approach to blade work is far less demanding than any of the other forms. Many of the Jedi's blade masters have stated that Form 6 is not sufficiently demanding. And indeed, in that respect, they are correct. Form 6 is known by the Jedi as the Diplomat's form, and it is good for nothing but dealing with low-rent thugs or criminals. It was used by the Jedi who preferred their roles as peacekeepers and who avoided direct combat. It is not a form for a Sith, but you will still learn it. I will not have it said an apprentice of mine is not knowledgeable in all aspects of the lightsaber. Besides, the first form of Nyman may be used as a meditation tool. Indeed, much like Ceresu, running through the accelerations can induce visions of the future, of the past, and of things as yet unseen. There are 3 stances for this version of the form. The first is with the saber held wide, back, behind the body, with the free arm across the chest. The second is a 2-handed grip with your weapon held head high and angled slightly back. And the third, the low guard, is a 2-handed stance with the blade held in front of the body, pointed towards the ground. The Diplomat's aspect of Nyman is one which, as I have said, has a lax requirement on blade work. However, this is offset by combining the use of the Force with simple strikes. For example, draw closer is a technique which uses the Force to pull an enemy in range of a sweeping attack. While pushing slash, Force pushes an enemy away after delivering a blow. This may sound enticing, but do not forget, the Force can be used to supplement any of the forms. It is not intrinsically locked to Nyman. The Diplomat's form is useless. It is for the weak, those unprepared for the true rigors of combat. And you have proven this is not you, haven't you, apprentice? This form was the dominant form within the Jedi Order before the Clone Wars, and during the Ruusan era, the subject of your next history lesson. When the Clone Wars did break out, the Jedi would die en masse. this style of Nyman, my apprentice, but do not hold to it, for it will never serve a true Sith. The second aspect of Form 6 is called Jar-Kai. Jar-Kai is the form meant for dual wielders. Many who choose this form utilize the lightsaber Shoto, something they claim increases their range of motion. The opening stance for Jar-Kai places one blade in front of the body, ready to be used as a defense, with the other held high and back, ready to strike. Jar-Kai is characterized by using one blade at a time. The wielder will strike or parry with one blade, and then use the other to exploit the opening that this creates in their opponent's defense. Skilled Jar-Kai users can unleash a flurry of blows that even the most well-trained practitioner must be wary of. However, Jar-Kai is a heavily offensive form. It relies on maintaining the momentum, on pressing your enemy back under a constant rain of strikes. It is recommended that you switch to another form if you are pushed onto the defensive. You must be quick, efficient in your strikes, and you must have the utmost control of your weapons, able to switch between hands at will. It requires patience and many hours of practice. And finally, my apprentice, we come to the real heart of this lesson, the true kernel of knowledge that I wish for you to take away from your study of Form 6. The second form of Nyman that I mentioned when you first sat before me. This form of the Way of the Rancor is quite different than the one that I described above. Indeed, it is different from all other forms you have studied thus far. The second form of Nyman has no accelerations of its own. Indeed, it technically is not a true lightsaber form at all. It shares the name only because it utilizes pieces from all the other forms. This type of Nyman exists when the wielder has mastered all the other forms, including Form 7. He who can master all the forms is a martial artist of peerless skill and power. They can call upon accelerations or specific strikes and defensive maneuvers from any of the other forms at will. And their fighting style is an unpredictable mismatch of moves, parries, strikes, and counter-strikes. These types of Nyman users are, again, some of the greatest warriors in the galaxy. They have not mastered one form, but all the forms, lightsaber combat itself, and they are terrible foes indeed. There are many famous wielders of this style. Among those weak fools who settled on the first type of Nyman, there are Master Brook Lamar, Sar Labuda, and Sarissa Jang, all Jedi and weak fools who were killed before their time. Some notable wielders of Jar-Kai include Master Kavar, Galen Merrick, and Asajj Ventress. And finally, among the greatest lightsaber duelists to ever live, we have the second kind of Nyman. This type of Nyman was utilized by Darth Sidious, Grand Master Luke Skywalker, Darth Krayt, and Exar Kun. You have far to go yet before you reach the heights of these final masters. As always, the accelerations for the first form of Nyman and for Jar-Kai are contained within my databanks. Connect me to your ship's navicomputer for full access. Prove to me that you can master Form 6 fully. Survive your journey into the depths of Freedom Nad's tomb, and I shall unlock your next lightsaber lesson and train you in the final form so that you may join the greatest of masters. Until then, may the Force break your chains.